Hey my lucky fans, here's Lucky64 here with a review of my first game, and it's just a Pong game. It's nothing too extravagant, but it's still pretty cool. You can see when you move the cursor over to the buttons, it actually changes different colors, and I did that so you can know which the cursor is on it. And if you go into options, it says for one player W and S, for two players it's W and S and up and down arrows. Nothing too fancy, but you know. And then if I go into start, here's the game. It's first to 5. Blue is player 1. Grayish black is player 2. It's pretty hard, but I mean it's fun. First 5 wins, and yeah, it took me about a week to make. And that was with staying up all night just working on this, and I think it was worth it. Okay, as you see, player 2 wins. I didn't win. It's pretty hard, but it's fun. And then if you go into 2 players, see I'm moving S and W. I'm moving the up and down arrows. You see, you will not go past the border. Same with this one. It won't go off the screen. So yeah, this is my first game. Yeah. Please like, subscribe, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.